Are you talking about the cable combs? Yes, you could do that. And yes, they do slide. As an example, I'll show you quickly on this one. Looks good, Ben. Thank you. What about Intel GPUs? Intel GPUs are still great. So we're going to be putting this on the graphics card. I don't know what side. If not, then oh well. Switch it around. But really quick, if I put these clips on, which are called cable combs, I have a second one that I'm going to put in right next to it. Just for the questions. Let's say they're right next to each other. I can zoom in here so you can see. But I've got two of them right next to each other. And, you know, it's a little tight, but you can move them back and forth and slide them up and down the chain as needed. So, yes, you can do that.